Hello, I'm Corporal Matthew Harris and this is the Royal Air Force 60-second update. Today, the Red Arrows were granted public display authority for the 2025 season. Get ready to see us display throughout the summer at locations across the UK and mainland Europe, demonstrating the speed, agility and precision of the Royal Air Force. We are ambassadors for the UK at home and overseas, promoting the best of British. Typhoons from RAF Lossiemouth were scrambled to intercept multiple Russian aircraft during NATO's enhanced air policing mission in Poland. Op CHESSMAN sees RAF jets and personnel deployed with 140 Expeditionary Air Wing to conduct quick reaction alert duties, deterring enemies and defending our allies' skies. The RAF has introduced a new uncrewed aircraft into operational service called StormShroud. It carries Leonardo UK's Britestorm electronic warfare payload, featuring radar jamming capability that improves the survival rate and operational effectiveness of our crewed aircraft. StormShroud is the first of a new family of autonomous, collaborative platforms which will revolutionise the RAF's advantage in the most contested battle spaces. That's everything for this week. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.